hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm so glad you are too. Assalamu alaikum. And hello, friends. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Bake. My Storytime pals and I are so excited that you can join us. Well, we're here for another story. Are you ready? So come on, let's begin. Our story for today is Lola Plants a Garden by Anna McQuinn, illustrated by Rosalind Beardshaw. Mom and Dad, if you have a copy, follow along with us. If not, check out the link below to get your own. After Lola reads a book of garden poems, she wants to plant some flowers. She gets books from the library and chooses her plants. Then Lola and her mommy buy the seeds, make the garden, and mark the rows. Now it's time to wait. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and conch shells and pretty maids all in a row. Lola loves her book of garden poems. Her favorite poem is the one about Mary, Mary. Lola wants to plant a garden. Mommy says there is room near the vegetables. Lola gets books about gardens from the library. She chooses her favorite flowers from the books. Mommy makes a list. They go to the garden store to buy seeds. Lola and Mommy make the garden. The seed packets mark where the flowers are planted. Lola will have to wait a long time for them to grow. Lola makes her own flower book while she waits. Mommy types the Mary, Mary poem and Lola glues it in. Lola makes a string of bells. She finds shells and some old beads. She even makes a little Mary, Mary. One day Lola sees tiny green shoots. She pulls up the weeds so the shoots can grow. Lola's flowers grow bigger. They open up to the sun. Daddy helps Lola hang her shiny bells. Lola finds Mary, Mary a special spot. It's just perfect. Orla, Ben, and Ty are coming to see Lola's garden. Lola and Mommy make cupcakes. Lola wears her flower shirt. Mommy helps Lola with her hair. Lola's friends love everything about her garden. They share the crunchy peas and sweet strawberries that Mommy grew. Then Lola makes up a story about Mary, Mary. What kind of garden will Lola plant next? Lola, Lola, extraordinary. How does your garden grow? With flower seeds and shells and beads and happy friends all in a row. What a delightful and wonderful story about Lola planting her very own garden. Did you notice how excited she was when she brought the books home to read about how to plant a garden? And then she enjoyed taking out the flowers, pictures, and drawing them and making them and getting it ready. And then I think her favorite part was Mary, Mary, creating her own Mary, Mary. So my question for you today is, what do you do when you want to plant your own garden? I look forward to finding out. Until next time, see you soon. Bye-bye.